Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will simply inform you that it will reset preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.